Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can combine two photos or more with AI blend feature on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and to combine two photos or more with AI blend feature, we can go to the collage menu right here. In this collage menu, we'll be able to get the AI blend feature to combine our photos together. Okay, we can choose the AI blend, and you're going to select the photos you want to edit. You can choose 2 until 12 photos from your device. And for example, I'm just going to choose photos from this pictures folder. Okay, wait. Alright, and then I'm going to select this photo, this one, and also this one. And we can click on the check mark to add the photos to our project. Okay, then you can choose the layout. For the layout, I'm going to choose, wait guys. Oh, you can also use this option to change the layout like this. And wait, I'm still trying to find the best layout for my photos. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, then you can go to the blend to change the blend mode. Okay, you can also play around with the slider like this. Okay, and I'm going to choose the blend mode. For example, I'm gonna go with this frosted, and you can also change the ratio. Go to the ratio and choose the ratio you want to apply. I'm gonna go with this one. Alright, and then once you're ready to save your photo, you can click on the export, and then the photo will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and now the photo has been saved. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to combine two photos or more with AI blend feature on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.